I like trains.
Hello everyone, as you can see I am here in Woodbine, Maryland. Way down there is a foamer and the Newport Road crossing. Way down there is Woodbine Road. We're in between both. We're here at the county line, the tracks. That side is Carroll County and I'm on the Howard County side. This is the Patapsco River, beautiful Patapsco River. And I'm here on the old main line to catch CSX M276. Yes, you heard that right. M276, an autorack train, a loaded autorack train going eastbound. You may recall a few videos back when I caught an X976 in Iamsville on the old main. Well, since that happened, CSX added 2 more autorack trains, M224 and M225. And actually, a few videos after I caught that X976, I chased M225 from Marriottsville to here, actually. I was up there at the crossing. And so, CSX is back to having 4 autorack trains. And basically, I think I may have said this in the previous video, but if I didn't, this is a pretty appropriate video to say it in now. It actually may have been the last M225 video, but regardless, M276, M277, those are the ones that we've had for a while. We have those, and we have M224 and M225. Those originate, I think, in Detroit, Michigan. 276, 277, I believe, start in Kentucky, and they go up to Philadelphia. I think 224 and 225 start in Baltimore, but that also might be wrong, so please correct me if I am. But basically, M277 always works Jessup, M224 always works Jessup. But 276 and 225 don't necessarily always work Jessup. They can, but they don't always. And the times that they don't, they can run Old Main. And today, M276 is being rerouted here because there are so many trains on the Cap and Met subs that CSX is like, you know what? We're just going to send 276 down the Old Main so that we avoid any conflict. And so that's what's happening. I'm not going to chase this train. I'm only going to catch it here. It's got 1 locomotive on the head end. It's going to be a GE ES40DC, and 1 locomotive on the rear, and that is going to be a GE CM44AC. So it should be a cool catch, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. This peaceful spot. Last time I was here, there was a washout, but we've had a lot of snow and recently a lot of rain as well. So fortunately, things are starting to return to normalcy here in the Patapsco River, and that washout is no more. So long intro, I know, but kind of feels like a Baltimore and Ohio video. So much scenery, peacefulness, and yeah, here comes the train, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, here it is. one up front, and there should be one in the back. Faramex, new Faramex. Lots of Faramexes on this one. Are loaded, like I said. Oh, end is here. Alrighty, there you go. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day wherever you may be.